So this is the new project truck that we got for free. Doesn't start, doesn't really do much, but it is a 5.3 4x4 single cab. It's rough. She ain't clean at all. So my goal is to get this thing running, and if I could get it running, we'll go ahead and restore it. This will be the new project car on the channel. So right now I'm just cleaning up the engine bay. The factory intake was literally chopped in half, so I ordered this off of Amazon just to see. It's kind of cleaning this all up. See, we got in there, clean this all up, work my way around. Got new spark plugs, wires, coils and injectors, new fuel pump, fuel line filter, and let's see if we can get this thing started. Jesus Christ. So I'm just gonna go around cleaning a little bit, making my way around through the spark plugs and wires, and just kind of clean this up a little bit. That way I know everything I could do when the engine was done. I'm gonna start from the front of this truck. If the truck gets started, I start from the front and work my way back. So I'm gonna do all the maintenance I need to do, see if I can get it running, see if the tran's good. The guy I got it from said it ran good, so he said he thinks it's a fuel pump, but we got all that. I'll put that in the next video. So I'm just gonna continue cleaning up this engine bay. I know this truck is gonna really try my patience, because honestly this thing is rough. See what I mean by when you go through your stuff and clean it? Like, maybe somebody in the comments can help me out. It was sitting, came out of that loom, and it's sitting right there. Well, on we go. Next, we'll do our spark plugs and wires. Pop these puppies in. Let's get started. That looks cooked. Jeez, look at the rust on the... Yeah, no good. One down, 7 to go. That one is a pain in the ass. Let's keep on trucking. Damn. Started looking good.